Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel CS and RT Tutorials by Vrishali. From today's session, I will start one of the most important subject, that is artificial intelligence. This playlist will be useful for your university exams, interview purpose, placement purpose as well as entrance exam purpose. So in today's session, we will discuss first introduction and history of AI. Let's start the session. So previously, we have already discussed all the subjects in detail with practical demonstration, solve examples and some important question bank. Please share my channel with your friends and subscribe it. That will be beneficial for everyone. Now, in today's session, we will cover all this topic like introduction about AI, then characteristics, need, application, then foundation and history of AI, some of the limitations, ethics of AI, and at the end, important question bank. So let's see all these points one by one. The first topic is introduction about AI. I think you all are familiar with the concept of AI, right? But as per the definition, AI is the branch of computer science. In AI, we can create machines, computer systems which work like a human intelligence. There was the scientist John Cati. He is known as father of AI and he defined AI as the combination of science and engineering, like the science and engineering who making intelligent machine. So basically AI has the ability they create the machine who can think, learn, reason and make a decision like a human. Also, in AI, multiple machineries can perform different tasks. Like here, machine can learn from historical data, then machine can solve complex problem, understand a human language like ChatGPT, then recognize images, make a decision, playing game, then driving vehicles, and also answering the question. These all tasks are performed by the AI system. They work like a human intelligence. So this is called as artificial intelligence. Now the next topic is characteristics of AI. And these six are the most important characteristics. The first one, AI system can learn. Means AI system can learn from historical data or past experience. For example, Netflix application recommended movies based on users' history, right? So here AI system can learn from historical data and as per that they take the decision or they predict the data, right? Next one, AI system can do reasoning. Reasoning means here AI system analyze the situation and as per that situation they choose the best solution. For example, Google Map. Next one is problem solving, like AI finds solution to complex problems. Then perception means AI can understand images, videos and sounds. Like face unlock feature in mobile. They understand the facial expressions, features and as per that they perform the action. Again, AI system can understand human language, which is called as natural language understanding. For example, ChatGPT. ChatGPT gives you an answer in Marathi, English, Hindi, in other language. Also, they understand the user's language perfectly. And last one, most important, decision making. AI predicts the outcome and make decision accordingly. So, these all are the main functionalities of AI. Now the next point, what exactly need of AI? As we know, human cannot always perform all the tasks quickly and accurately. So, in artificial intelligence, they are focusing the machines. They can work like a human or they can do action more accurately than human. For example, AI helps to automate the repetitive work to making the fast decision. Then they also reduce human error, work 24 by 7 without any tiredness and also processing huge amount of data in any language. So for all this purpose we required AI, that is artificial intelligence, more powerful systems. Now, the next one, applications of AI. I think you all are familiar with this application, right? In our daily life, we are using all these applications which are built in AI system. Like AI used in mobile phones, healthcare for disease detection, then education sector, banking or shopping sector for fraud detection, product recommendation, in entertainment, navigation systems like Google Map, then voice assistant like Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, in different social medias like Instagram, Facebook for recommendation purpose, again in self-driving cars. So these all are the applications of AI. Nowadays, AI is everywhere. AI used in every sector, every domain, every industry more accurately. They do every work in more intelligent way. Now the next thing, foundation of AI. So basically, AI is the combination of computer science, mathematics functions, psychology, logic, linguistic and engineering. So these all domains are the base and foundation of AI. In computer science, there are proper algorithms like searching, sorting algorithms, then data structure like how to store huge amount of data in different ways, programming languages and database. So these all are supports AI system. Then in mathematics, there are multiple mathematical calculations like linear algebra, probability, statistics, calculus and optimization. They support AI. Again, in psychology, here AI system can learn from historical data, think like a human, solve complex problem and also remember the information. Then next, AI also supports logic. Logic is the foundation base of AI, right? So here AI system can do good reasoning, decision making and rule based system. They followed proper rules and protocols. And the last one is linguistic department. Here, AI system can do speech recognition, language translation, and also work like a chatbot. So these all are the foundation and base of AI. Now let's understand quickly history of AI. See here in this particular table, in 1950, Alan Turing, he was proposed the Turing test. Turing test means he was checked that whether a machine can think like a human. And if machine can think like a human, this machine are called as intelligent machine. Now after that in 1956, there was Dartmouth conference and this conference is officially beginning of AI or we can say birth of AI where all researchers were discuss about AI system and they want to try to build this AI system. After that in 1974 to 1980, this era is called as first AI winter. Here, AI system failed to meet expectation of researchers because computers were slow and expensive and also AI research funding get decreased. After that in 1980, some basic AI expert systems have developed like calculator. So this system work like a human decision. So basically this expert system use some rules and protocols to work like a human. Now after that in 1987 to 1993, this era are called as second AI winter where all researchers are try to build AI system. But AI progress is slow during this period because expert system become expensive to maintain and also AI funding and interest decrease again. After that in 1997, IBM developed Deep Blue system and this system defected Gary who was the world chess champion and that's why this is the major milestone in AI history. Like any AI system defect the human, right? So this thing proved that AI could solve complex and logical problems. Now after that in 2012, deep learning, neural network, big data this kind of concept have generated. They try to work on large amount of data. Next, image recognition. This concept again have developed by using deep learning. They try to understand features of image and according to that they take the prediction. Now, after that in 2016, AlphaGo AI system defected Go World Champion Lee Sedol. So this is again another major achievement in AI. Go gaming is more complex than chess and still AI system defected the human, right? After that in 2020 to present era. So here AI can generate text, images, music and code, right? Generative AI, agentic AI, these concepts are there. And because of that, we are use AI in every domain, like as a chatbot, in healthcare, in education sector. Again, there are powerful tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, right? So this is the history of AI. Now next, limitations or disadvantages of AI. The first main disadvantage is job displacement because AI system required less human power, like robot replacing the factory workers, right? Next one is privacy issue. Most of the AI system collect and analyze personal human data. For example, face recognition system. So this generate the privacy concern. After that, bias and discrimination means if AI system cannot train properly, they generate the wrong result. After that, security threats. Sometimes AI can be misused. For example, in deepfake videos. After that, a human can completely dependent on AI technology, like for calculator, GPS, or contact apps, right? And again, in AI system, lack of emotions and ethics, right? So these are the some disadvantages of AI. Now the last topic is ethics of AI. So ethics means some set of principles and guidelines. AI system ensure that they can design and develop according to these guidelines. And also AI systems are used responsibly, fairly, safely in benefit of society. So basically, ethics of AI gives the answer of this question. Like, is AI system fair? Does it respect privacy of the user? Is AI system safe? Who is responsible if AI make a mistake? And can people trust on AI system decision? So ethics of AI provide answer of all this question. Basically, all AI system developed as per the guidelines and protocols. Now, there are main six principles of ethics. The first one, fairness. Like AI system should treat all individuals, all persons equally. They can't do any discrimination based on age, then caste or any color, right? So they treat all individuals properly. Next one is transparency. AI decision should be understandable and explainable. For example, on ChatGPT, we can ask answer of any question and ChatGPT gives answer properly. They are explaining why this thing is matter, right? After that, accountability. Like organization that develop and deploy AI system responsibly. Next one is privacy and safety. So AI system should protect user personal information and they use users information responsibly. Again, AI should operate safely and consistently. And last one, beneficence. Like AI should improve people life and contribute positively in society. Like every application are integrated with AI, right? So they improve the living of society. Now, at the last, important question bank. So these all questions are based on previous year university papers. So they ask the question like define artificial intelligence, need of AI for 5 marks. Otherwise, write a note on history of AI. So where you need to explain history year wise with examples for 6 marks. Then list and explain risk and benefits of AI, describe real life applications of AI, or write a short note on ethics of AI. So you should prepare all this topic completely. So this is all about. Thank you. Keep learning and stay tuned for my next video. All the best.